Hello, all the students of Da Vinci School. My name is Sakura. I'm a teacher at Da Vinci School teaching useful wisdom in life. Taro, what's up?
What is life?
What's this all of a sudden?
I feel like I'm losing strength as I age, and I'm scared of getting old.
I see. Do you know that you can prevent aging?
Are you telling me that you can make a body that doesn't age? Is that even possible?
You know, aging is a disease to begin with.
Aging is a disease?
It's hard to believe, but today we're going to learn how to prevent aging. Today's class is about increasing your healthy lifespan.
Healthy lifespan?
Healthy life expectancy is the age at which a person can live a healthy life. And even if you live to be 120 years old, it won't matter if you're bedridden. That's why it's so important to stay healthy. Studies have shown that although the average human lifespan is increasing, the maximum lifespan is not. By the way, we can only live to be 120 years old at the most. So I'm going to teach you how you can stay healthy until you're 120. First, let me tell you the mechanism of aging. Aging occurs when DNA is damaged. For example, strong ultraviolet rays or inhaling toxic substances.
DNA is damaged, isn't it?
And when the DNA is damaged, the sirtuin gene is activated.
Sirtuin?
Sirtuins are responsible for repairing DNA. However, if the sirtuins are overworked, the DNA will not be repaired in time, resulting in aging. If you're smoking, you're putting toxic substances into your body, so you're speeding up the aging process yourself.
Sirtuin gene is amazing, isn't it?
Sirtuin is simply a gene that slows down the aging process. Research has shown that when the sirtuin gene works, our lifespan increases. However, this gene is usually asleep and off, not working. In order for this sirtuin gene to work, we have to starve. Besides starving, it is said to be activated by calorie restriction, light exercise such as walking, etc.
Why does sirtuin gene work when you're hungry?
Because it's a human instinct. When humans are hungry and feel like their life is in danger, they try to prevent damage to their body to sustain life.
Cool.
The food that makes the sirtuin gene work is almonds. The ingredient in almonds, called resveratrol, activates the sirtuin gene. Starvation can be achieved by creating a simple state of fasting. You can see how to do fasting in my past videos, which you can watch after this one. Next, don't eat until you're full. A research group at the University of California conducted an experiment on aging and the effects of a low-calorie diet. The results also showed that a low-calorie diet can help maintain normal energy metabolism and prevent aging.
How much should I restrict my diet?
You only need to limit your calories to 30% of your usual diet. That's just enough to feel like you're eating a little less.
I see.
To put it another way, 3 meals a day is too much food.
Sure, I'd like to eat 3 times a day.
Think about it. How many diet books are sold in the world? People are obviously eating too much at 3 meals a day. It's enough to eat just barely enough to survive. So reduce the amount and frequency of your meals. You should eat as little meat, eggs, dairy products, and fish as possible. That's what I call animal protein. These have too much energy. Plant proteins are just fine. You should avoid processed meats especially. Sausage, ham, and bacon are toxic since they use toxic preservatives to preserve them. Why is processed meat not banned? It's because the media is funded by food manufacturers.
That's the reason?
I agree. We live in a world of hidden inconveniences. Obviously, if meat is your favorite food, you can eat it. However, if you want to maintain your youthful appearance, eat once or twice a day and keep your meals to 70% of what you normally consume. The next step is to exercise.
You're going to exercise after restricting your diet as well?
That's right. Pushing your body hard activates the sirtuin gene. You can jog or walk 10 minutes every day to activate the sirtuin gene. In other words, create a situation where you are lightly hungry all the time and you will be young again. I also recommend a sauna.
I like the sauna.
A hot water bath puts a load on the body, which will lead to the cell's activation of the sirtuins. It will be an easy cure. Finally, let me tell you about a drug that suppresses aging. This is still a research stage, so don't believe everything you read, but I'll tell you about it. The drug that prevents aging is called NMN. You can find NMN supplements on Amazon.
I guess taking supplements would be easy.
The problem is that NMN is expensive. NMN is still in the research stage. You can read a lot about NMN on the internet, but don't believe everything you read. Exercise and diet will definitely work better.
Yeah, I looked up NMN. That's true.
Summarizing today's lesson, aging is a disease. Aging occurs when DNA is damaged. Sirtuin genes heal DNA, which prevents aging. Eat once a day. Make it 70% of your usual amount. Do exercise such as jogging. Never smoke because it speeds up the aging process.